Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, one of Jamaica's premier used car dealers, that's Jetcon Corporation, notice of their annual general meeting, that's their AGM. The company is pleased to announce that the AGM for 2020 financial year will be held on Tuesday, February 8th, coming right up 2022 at the Courtly Hotel and Suites at actually 4:30. They note that only the first 30 persons presenting proof of vaccination against COVID-19 and wearing a mask will be admitted to the face-to-face meeting, and the meeting will be held in a hybrid manner. Now, Wigton Windfarm Limited here, a restatement of their bonds. Interesting phrase here. We haven't really seen this on Business Live, but what they're saying here is they're saving some funds or some costs with the financing, but they call it a restatement. So Wigton advising that they've obtained the necessary approvals from its existing bondholders to amend and restate bonds B, C, and D. Now, what this does is it results in savings in the finance expense of the company over the 7-year lifetime of the bonds. Now, Consolidated Bakeries, better known as Purity Jamaica Limited, notice of their audited financials for 2021. What they're saying here is that the unaudited financial statements also for the period ending December 31st last year will be uploaded on or before the middle of February 14th of this year. And the audited financial statements, the very important ones for the same period, will be submitted on or before March 31st, some time from now of this year. Now, Lasco Manufacturing Limited. We haven't been hearing much about the Lasco companies, 3 different ones there on the stock exchange, but in this case here, the manufacturing one trading in their shares. Advisory that a senior manager sold a total of very small amount here, 18 shares or 18 units on January 14th of this year. Now, Peloton falling below actually its IPO price of $29 from 2019. Who would have thought about it? Now, they went public in September 2019, raising approximately $1.1 billion, and it closed at 24 and change per share yesterday. Market cap now about $8 billion from its all-time high in January of last year. The market cap back then, $50 billion. Talk about that fall off like a precipice going down for Peloton. Now, it has been a wild ride, clearly, from a share price standpoint. Yes, persons were getting back to the gym. They had terrible public relations, lots of issues, and it's just not cheap to get a Peloton. So Peloton even came out and said they might be halting production, or they are going to be for, say, 6 weeks or 8 weeks, whether it's a treadmill plus, whether it's a bike. But a lot of persons out there are a bit frantic. If you have a Peloton, what's going to happen? People are making jokes that maybe Netflix might even buy Peloton. Maybe you'll start to watch Netflix on your Peloton. Let's see what happens. But the point is, $8 billion, a far cry from $50 billion worth of market cap. We'll see what happens going forward. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a fantastic weekend.